Discover the ultimate ear care solution. XMSJ Stainless Steel Earpick Set, now 79% off. Are you tired of traditional ear cleaning methods that just don't seem to get the job done effectively? Look no further. We are excited to introduce the XMSJ Stainless Steel Earpick Set, your all-in-one solution for gentle and efficient ear care. With a limited time offer of just 99 cents, down from its original price of $4.90. This 6-piece ear care set is a must-have for everyone in search of a reliable and hygienic way to maintain ear health. Benefits: premium quality materials, crafted from high-quality stainless steel. The XMSJ Earpick Set ensures durability, rust resistance, and a smooth, polished finish. Say goodbye to flimsy plastic alternatives and embrace a tool that will stand the test of time. Gentle and effective ear cleaning. The spoon-shaped design of these ear picks allows for precise and gentle removal of earwax, providing a comfortable experience for both adults and babies. The set is ideal for those who prioritize safety and efficiency in their ear care routine. Complete 6-piece set. This comprehensive kit includes 6 different ear picks, catering to various preferences and needs. The diverse range ensures that you can find the perfect tool for your individual requirements, making it suitable for the entire family. Portable and convenient. The XMSJ Earpick Set comes in a practical package bag, making it easy to carry and use whenever and wherever you need it. Whether you're at home, traveling, or on the go, you'll always have the perfect ear care solution at your fingertips. Customer feedback: with an outstanding rating of 4.8 and 86 reviews, the XMSJ Stainless Steel Earpick Set has garnered praise from satisfied customers. Over 1,000 sets have already been sold, highlighting the popularity and effectiveness of this ear care solution. At last, investing in your ear health has never been more affordable and convenient. Take advantage of the limited time offer of 99 cents and secure your XMSJ Stainless Steel Earpick Set today. Join the growing number of satisfied customers who have embraced this superior ear care solution. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to a cleaner, healthier auditory experience.